Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on my very fat, very chunky look. I can't even, like, it's very gator mouthed. My boyfriend always tells me I make my journals too small, and listen, he's right, but we're not going to tell him he's right. Like, whatever. So what if he's right? That's how I feel. Who cares if he's right? So, my mom texted me super early on this day to ask me if I wanted to go to Costco. Jeez Louise. With her, and I said sure. I wanted to pull out a pocket. Here we go. So we went to Costco. I got myself a velour tracksuit. Why? Because I'm obsessed with them. Am I a velour tracksuit person? No, I'm not. I am not a velour tracksuit person. Like, I don't understand my obsession, but I got one. I got it in black, and I'm obsessed with it, and I love it. But whatever. Oh, this was also the day that she lost $500 worth of gift cards. She did. They were found. Somebody found them at Walmart and actually called the store she got the gift cards from to let them know that they found these gift cards. And when my mom went, because she was able to, she was going to go cancel them. They were, because you can't use them till the 26th of December, so she could have canceled them. And the woman, they said that somebody actually found her gift cards, which was good. But yeah, only my mom could lose $500 worth of gift cards, and at least somebody who was honest found them. Most people would not have been that honest. Anyway, what else did we do? I made 1-hour dinner rolls to go with the soup I made. That was about it. I tried to read, and I could not figure out what I wanted to read. Nothing looked interesting to me. Alright, here we go. Oh, I said the day started so positive. Oh, I did a lot of stuff in the morning, and then my allergies started to kick my butt. It was bad. I got so sick. I got nauseous. My head, which I mean, if you've been with me a while, you know that I have had a headache every single day for over 2 years. So if I say I had a headache, I'm talking like painful headache, because I have a headache every single day. And yes, I've been to the doctor. No, I don't think anybody actually cares that I've had a headache. I have a new doctor starting in February because my doctor retires next month. So we'll see if he cares. Anyway, I had really bad pain and pressure and nausea and a really bad headache. So I sat there and I was smelling peppermint essential oils, sipping on water. And then I ended up taking stuff for it because it was that bad. It was bad. All right, what did we do this day? Oh, I woke up after being sick the night before, and I just felt horrible. My head was pounding. I didn't really want to rest for the day, but I did in the morning. My boyfriend brought Burger King for lunch. The new Whoppers, the special limited edition pickle Whopper and pickle fries. They were really good. However, we had just heard about them. And the woman said that they were sold out of everything. Like, that was the last. We got the last of the pickles, and they didn't have any more. We wanted to try the Mexican street corn Whopper. They didn't have any of the sauce for that. So, we missed out on that one. There we go. There's the puppy. And then I started my kid's scarf. He wanted me to make him a scarf, and he picked out this scarfy yarn from Lion Brand. I want to keep, so I know what color it was. I'm going to cut off most of this, but I want to remember what this was. So we're just going to paper clip it in. I moved everything around. You know what? I'm just going to use this. I moved everything around because I ended up... Okay, let's put that aside for now. I ended up getting one of that Cobalt tool chest for down here. Yep, I went to Lowe's today and got it. Alright, this is the day. I said 3 men live in this house, okay? I'm the only female who lives in this house. Unless you want to count the dog. I'm the only female who lives in this house. And, oh, here's the scarf. Look how pretty that yarn is. It's so pretty. So I must have started it on the other day, but didn't take a picture until this day, probably. That's just how I roll. So I live with 3 men. Okay. So the toilet fill valve broke on this day. And, I had no, like, I didn't know, right? So I get my dad gets out of the bathroom and says, "What's wrong with the toilet?" I'm like, "I don't freaking know." I'm like, "I don't know." So I go to check and I take the lid off the toilet and realize that, oh, the fill valve is not working. The toilet is 8 years old, I think. It was replaced soon after I moved in. It was like 8 years old. I'm like, all right, well, I'll replace it. Not a big deal. Go to Lowe's. Found a video. By the way, all right, here we go. I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. If your toilet fill valve goes, okay, and you have a Fluid Master fill valve in your toilet, and it's not leaking from the bottom seal where you put the water, where it connects for the water, okay, if it's not leaking there, you can change your fill valve in 30 seconds with no tools. There you go. This is the secret. You have to replace it with, it has to be a Fluid Master. You cannot be leaking from that seal, and you have to buy another Fluid Master, the same Fluid Master to do it. You take it out of the box, and you pull the stem out, and you lift it. There's a video, okay? If you ever have this problem, search it on YouTube. There's a video. I think it's called 30-second fill valve replacement or something like that. Game changer. Because mine wasn't leaking. It was just the fill valve is probably filled with crud and it wouldn't go up and down anymore. So I was able to change it out like that, which is great because our toilet is right next to the wall and it's a very tight fit. And there's a heater there too that wraps around the wall in like an L shape, and it's a very tight fit to get in there. So I was not looking forward to having to replace the stem and all of it, but I didn't have to. It was great. It took me 30 seconds. I was like, this is awesome. And I wish I would have known this years ago. I said, so I did it while the men folk watch TV. Just I'm like, what the hell? I am the only female in this house, and you can tell me that, really, like, nobody else can do it? It's gotta be me. I have all this stuff over here I forgot about. I found it, and I want to make sure I use it in my journal. And I just saw it again. I put them all here where I can see them. So I have all this stuff I want to use in my journal this month. This stuff is all garbage. Okay. Anyway, anywho, that's what happens. I can add this to here. So why don't we do that? Just gonna trim it to size. And I'm going to use double stick tape, if I can find it. There it is. And put the double stick tape down. My kid wasn't home on this day. This was a Saturday. He had D&D, and I made myself French fries, and I'm so upset because he just does such a better job. I don't know why, but he does. He does a better job. There we go. Cute. Alright. And then let's flip through here. Is there anywhere else? Oh, I can put... Oh, should we put this little pinwheel right here? There we go. I said I just want to get rid of some of this stuff because I did make it to go in this journal and forgot about it. There we go. Cute. Alright, let's move on. Alright, whatever day this was. Where's... Guys, for the first time ever, I didn't journal. I forgot to journal. Okay. Well, alrighty then. So, I will journal about this day I don't remember later. Because I don't remember it. It was a Tuesday. That's all I remember. How about this? Only thing I freaking remember, not even joking. Here we go. Went to TJ Maxx, found a Steelers jersey for the dog. There we go. That's it. That's all I remember. I don't remember anything else. It's fine. Also went to Boscov's. So I went to Boscov's and TJ Maxx on this day. So, yeah, let's just put that in with that, and there we go. Don't remember anything. I have this stuff in here. I don't want to put it in there, though. It's making my journal too fat. I can't believe I didn't journal on that day. Weird. Alright. So this is the day I slept so bad. But I got down here at like 7:30. I got down here at 7:30 in the morning because I had nothing else to do. I was up and finished some stuff. And then my kid woke up with a sore throat. He actually called off of work today. He went to work yesterday, which was Thursday. But he was sick this morning, so he was coughing a lot, and I'm like, don't go to work. I want him to take a COVID test, but he refuses. I'm telling you, 21-year-olds are so annoying. Alright, and this was last night. Ugh, yesterday. So every year, I don't know about you guys, we have an oil furnace. So we have those freaking annoying heaters all through the house. Okay? If you know, you know. Like, they're just these annoying, they're old, there's a name for them, and I can't think of what it's called. I don't think I have enough room for all these. Oh, I can put one over here. So I'll glue one here, and I'll glue the rest down over there. So every year, I have to vacuum these heaters. Every year. Okay? And it's a pain. It is such a pain in the butt, but I have to vacuum them every year. The dust gets in, hair, all kinds of stuff. But when I got my new bed, I had cleaned under that, so I only had to clean under one little section in my room. My kid just vacuumed his room, and he vacuums the heater every time he vacuums his room, so I knew that was done. But I had to do my dad's room, and my dad's room is just, I swear, I don't even know how to explain to you. Like, he's not a hoarder. He really isn't, because I wouldn't allow that. Like, sorry, I wouldn't. But he keeps a bunch of stuff next to his bed up against the heater. So I told him the only way it was getting done and the only way I was turning the heat on is if I could vacuum under the heater. And the only way I was doing that is if he moved all of his stuff. And he did. But that's such a sucky job. I hate it. It's the worst job because you like kind of have to take the heater apart to even get in there to vacuum, and it's so frustrating and so annoying. But it's done. I did it, and I still didn't turn the heat on. It was snowing this morning, and I was like, who needs heat? Nobody needs heat. That was my So I think that's all I did. My kid left work early. They had too many people, and then he didn't feel good, so and he only left like 50 minutes early. He left at 3:10. He gets off at 4. And then on the way home, he was saying to me that he was eating so much junk. I was eating so much junk. I'm eating so much junk. And I looked at him, and I'm like, dude, you're a skinny ass. Like, you're 21. You can eat all the junk you want. It's when you hit other ages that you gotta stop. Like, right now, you're good. Trust me, you're fine. You can eat it. I eat too much junk. I eat too much junk. I'm like, whatever. I don't care. Whatever. I swear. I don't understand. With the men in this family, in my family, the guys are so concerned about what they eat. Whatever. It's a thing. Thank you so much for joining me today. I didn't do much. Oh, did I tell you what day was... Wait. Where was that? Here. The new DLC for Disney Dreamlight Valley came out. So that's what I've been doing. I've been playing, and then I read these 5 books. But don't worry, they were novellas. They were all under 70 pages. So... I didn't really do much reading or anything. I had no interest this week. It was bad. I had no interest. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.